Forgot about a nigga, huh? I told him to take more walks towards the
Wish it would rain. Oh, let it rain.
Forgot about a nigga, huh? I came to get a slice, they need a bigger pie. The therapist revealed these guys was a trigger of mine. My signature was my insignia, I'm sinister. A hothead was bare-chested through the winter months. You was a winner once, but wasn't hitting them was bunts. Off jump, had the porch breached. Black boots, black trunks like Mike with trunks from Dragon Ball Z. The punks, I rep the floor seats, verse any nosebleeds. You saw me, I had the hammer pending on the rosary. The shit gross, go get the groceries. The bag had the toast, I had them toast to me openly. Nigga, it was last year, I realized I was past here. My girl met my rap friends, told me they respect me, I said that's fear. And in love and war, all's fair. Not a lot's changed since my walks was flanked by Paul Bearer. Cuban links fresh out the clink. He do it all with ink, except the dishes, but include the kitchen sink. Doink the clown sky with different dinks. Handshake deals, fingers crossed with a wink. I dropped the album with a bomb, over Psalms, open palm, slap with left, right, falcon on the arm. The trim was plant-based to eat, but all I saw was more beef. I'm a carnivore identified by 4 teeth. The interviewer asked me, why so many metaphors, beast? It's either that or palace brawls with meta world peace. Sheesh. So what, he a gremlin. I told him take more steps toward the sidewalk's end. So what, he a gremlin.